So good morning everybody, this is Mike Richards from WCT Trader. I just thought we'd take a quick look at the profits this morning using the system in the German DAX. So when we did the pre-UK open market update this morning, we'd got a gap up on Sunday night in the futures. This is the hourly chart of the DAX and we continued higher. So we were looking overall for the DAX to continue to subdivide higher eventually, but with various notes of caution. We've got a very packed week with economic data from the US, as well as major earnings, including the Mag 7. We are only 11 days, in fact 10 days, I think, from the US elections. And then there's also the pattern being rather messy. We're still below the relevant high at 19,686 in the German DAX. And we also had a gap, and you will often find that those gaps get filled. Moreover, on our hourly chart, we've got divergence on the momentum squeeze, and we were also on a CRSI sell. Now, if we come down to the day trading chart, usual routine. So there's the 8 a.m. UK time open, and the market dropped down. It was dropping anyway off the highs. We tend to leave it for a little while. We got the CRSI buy signal here, but it failed to clear the hourly VWAP. Then we came down and got a secondary CRSI buy signal on divergence in a green zone, and we cleared the VWAP and we came back and retested it. That gave us our first long entry this morning. That was around half an hour after the open, and the price we entered at was 19,510. We came up, cleared the hourly resistance and retested it. That gave us the opportunity to add to those longs, continued higher, then broke resistance, and the CRSI turning down. You can see the short-term 1 minute cycle also starting to turn down. So we exited. So across the original entry plus the add, that gave us 46 points of profit on the original entry, 26 additional points of profit on the add, for a total of 75 points. Then we got into this resistance zone. Came down, cleared the resistance, came back, tested it, and the VWAP gave us the short entry and the trade down here until we got the CRSI buy on divergence, and we poked back up through support, giving us an exit. That was it for the DAX this morning. That second trade giving us a total of another 75 points for 147 in total. So a reasonable day's work on the German DAX so far this morning. No big risks taken. Now leaving it and to see whether we can hold the retrace area down at 19,402, which at the moment it looks like we're going to. As you can see, this is potentially setting up to the long side again if you do want to trade it, or we can switch our focus now to the US markets ongoing this morning.